It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel. This is K Umamaheswara Rao. Unacademy is conducting Master Blaster Practice Series, a free special class series, altogether 10,000 questions per gate. In Computer Science and Engineering branch, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Chemical Engineering. On Unacademy YouTube channel, YouTube sessions on basic concepts on every Friday, intermediate concepts on every Saturday, advanced concepts on Sunday, knowledge fight on Monday, S on every Tuesday. Unacademy is conducting free live combat, India's largest weekly competition for gate. Access your gate preparation in 60 minutes, challenging original gate questions. Take it live, compete the best. All India live leaderboard. Identify and improve your weak areas through detailed video solutions. Next live compact is on 20th and 27th at 11 a.m. From rank 1 to 3, complimentary Unacademy Plus subscription for 1 year. Rank 4 to 10, 75% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. Rank 11 to 50, 50% off. Rank 51 to 100, 25% off on Plus subscription. Unacademy is announcing final batch alert. Eval batch for 2022 gate. Ascent batch for 2023 gate. In Electrical Engineering branch, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, and civil engineering. In Plus, you have live classes, crash courses, weekly tests, doubt solving sessions, rank approved batches. On Iconic subscription, additional features we have personal coach, study planner, study poster sessions, personalized test analysis, dedicated doubt clearing instructors, preparatory study material. Either for Plus subscription or Iconic subscription, use code KUR75. Use code KUR75. Now, mathematical logic. Today I would like to discuss on rules of inference. The main aim of logic is to provide rules. General form of an argument is conjunction of premises implies conclusion. So based on the evidences, we make a conclusion, right? Now, what is valid inference? An inference an inference which is tautology, an inference which is tautology is known as valid inference. That is nothing but valid inferences are logical implications only. Sir, uh, the inference is valid inference. It is logical implication or an inference is tautology, then it is valid inference. Okay. What about if it is not valid inference? Then it doesn't mean contradiction. It doesn't mean contradiction. It is invalid inference. Okay. So if an inference which is tautology, then it is called valid inference. If an inference which is not tautology, then it is known as invalid inference. It doesn't mean contradiction. It can be satisfiable. That's why. Rule of inference. Any valid inference, any valid inference is rule of inference. Any valid inference is rule of inference. That is nothing but people express rule of inference in different forms. Now I am expressing like this: P1, P2, and so on Pn. These are the premises are based on evidences. We have conclusion is Q. That means P1, P2, and so on Pn. Conjunction of P1, P2, Pn, and so on implies Q. You can express in this manner also. Now, important rule of inference. First one, conjunction. Conjunction. P, Q, therefore P and Q. The tautological form is P and Q implies P and Q. I like discrete mathematics. I like data structure. Therefore, I like discrete mathematics and data structure. Next, second rule, addition. Addition. P, therefore, PRQ. R, Q, therefore, PRQ. RQRP, you can write. Suppose P, therefore, PR negation Q. I like discrete mathematics. I like mathematics. I like discrete mathematics or mathematics. Addition. Next one. Third one. Yeah, the tautological form is P implies PRQ. Anything you can add. P implies PRQ. Now, simplification. Third one. Simplification. P and Q, therefore P. P and Q, therefore P. That is, P and Q implies P. P and Q, therefore P. For example, P and Q, therefore P. You can write Q and P, therefore Q also. Okay. I like discrete mathematics and data structure. Therefore, I like discrete mathematics. You can give the conclusion. I like discrete mathematics and data structure. Therefore, I like data structure. That is called simplification. If you have conjunction, you can take individual. That is simplification. It is a valid inference. It is a tautology. Fourth one, modus ponens. This is also known as rule of detachment. Rule of detachment. P implies Q. P, therefore Q. If you prepare discrete mathematics, then you can get good score in GATE. I prepared discrete mathematics. Therefore, I can get good score in maths in GATE. Like that. P implies Q and P implies Q. That is tautological form. This is modus ponens. Next, fifth one. Fifth one. Modus tollens. This is also known as denying consequent. Denying consequent. P implies Q. Negation Q. Therefore, negation P. P implies Q. Negation Q. Therefore, negation P. The tautological form is P implies Q. and negation Q. Therefore, that implies negation P. That implies negation P. Sixth one. Hypothetical syllogism. This is also known as transitive rule. P implies Q. Q implies R. Therefore, P implies R. P implies Q. Q implies R. Therefore, P implies R. Now, tautological form. P implies Q and Q implies R. Implies P implies R. For example, if you gamble, then you are stupid. You are not stupid. Therefore, you don't gamble. P represents the premise you gamble. Another premise Q is you are stupid. Here it is in the form of the first statement. If you gamble, then you are stupid. That means P implies Q form. You are not stupid means negation Q. Therefore, by modest tolerance, it is negation P. Negation P is valid. So this statement is you don't gamble. That is a valid argument. Understood? Now, next one. Next problem. Which of the following which of the following is valid? Which of the following is valid? P is negation P R Q and R implies S and PRR implies negation S implies Q. Negation S implies Q. So here I am verifying whether it is valid or not. First I am taking negation PRQ. Negation PRQ is nothing but P implies Q. Here R implies S. P implies Q, R implies S. Now PRR. Therefore, negation S implies Q. That is SRQ. That is QRS. That is constructive dilemma. That is constructive dilemma. Understood? Observe here. For example, a logical binary relation is defined as follows: A, B, A circle B. True, true, true. True, false, true. False, true, false. False, false, true. Which one of the following is equivalent? Is equivalent. Which one of the following is equivalent? Now, options are given here. Negation of A circle B, negation of A circle negation B, negation of A circle negation B. Fourth one, negation of negation A circle B. Now, if you look at the table, you can solve the problem very easily. True, true, it is true. True, false, it is true. False, false, it is true. Only in the case of false, true, it is false. Now, if you look at this table, you can recall implication. B implies A. True implies false. It is false. Okay. In the remaining cases, it is true. Therefore, A circle B is nothing but here. B implies A. Therefore, we have to write A and B. In this problem, we have to write a logical relation is as follows. Which of the following is equivalent for A and B? We have to calculate. Okay. So A and B can be written as B and A. B and A. A and B is nothing but B and A. So this can be written as negation of B implies negation A. That is equivalent to negation of B implies A is A circle B. B implies negation A is negation A circle B. So this is equivalent to last option. This is equivalent to last option. Understood? Next one. For example, P implies R implies S. Negation R implies negation P. P. Therefore, S. How to conclude this? Observe. First, P implies R implies S. P. Then third step, R implies S. How? By applying mod exponents on 1 and 2. By applying mod exponents on 1 and 2, you got R implies S. Next, fourth step, negation R implies negation P. Fifth one, P. By applying modest tolerance on 4 and 5, by applying modest tolerance on 4 and 5, you will get negation of negation R. Negation of negation R. Negation of negation R is nothing but R. Now, observe 3 and 6. R implies S and R. R implies S and R. That is S. Therefore, mod exponents on 3 and 6. You got conclusion. Yes. So like that we have to apply rules of inference. Next problem. For example, negation T implies negation R. Negation S. T implies W. R S. Therefore, conclusion W. How it is W? I would like to explain. First, S given. S can be written as negation R implies S by implication. Third one, negation T implies negation R given. Now, by applying modus or rule of transitive on 3 and 2, negation T implies negation R implies S. Therefore, negation T implies S. Transitive on 3 and 2. Next, fifth one, negation S. Negation T implies S, negation S. Negation of negation T, that is T. I have applied modest tolerance on 4 and 5. Now, seventh one, T implies W, that is given. T and T implies W. Eighth conclusion is W. By mod exponents on 6 and 7. Therefore, conclusion is double. Understood? For example, PRQ, negation P, therefore Q. PRQ, negation P, therefore Q. That is based on modus tollens. I would like to explain how it is. Actually, negation P you will get, but I am using one simple technique. If you have P1 and P2, therefore Q. Instead of giving conclusion like this, we are going to give the conclusion like this. P1, P2, negation Q is a contradiction. I would like to solve this problem by this, in this approach. Observe. PRQ. PRQ given. Now, this can be written as negation P implies Q. Negation P. Therefore, Q. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Modus ponens applied on 2 and 3. Next, fifth one, negation Q. Q and negation Q, contradiction. So, what I have done, PRQ is given, negation P is given, PRQ is given, negation P is given. I have added an extra premise Q. Then negation Q. I prove that the result is a contradiction. Therefore, automatically these two premises gives conclusion Q. Because if I take negation Q, I am getting contradiction means, therefore PRQ negation P, therefore Q. That is the conclusion. So original one is valid. This is another approach. Thank you. Unacademy is a perfect study partner for GATE and ESC. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in civil engineering, GATE 2021 rankers in mechanical engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in computer science and information technology. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in production engineering, engineering sciences. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, chemical engineering, environmental science and engineering.